Don't know, it's a girl Shanique. Welcome back to another video. So in this week vlog, today's what I'm doing. I'm looking all over the damn place instead of looking at the damn camera. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. You don't know it's the girl Shanique already. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and click that bell so you guys get notified anytime I upload a new video. So this week vlog, and today's beach day, so we're going to the beach and we're gonna chill because we ain't got nothing to do today. Okay, it's Memorial weekend, so yeah, the hair is still giving. Okay, so this is my outfit. I'm gonna show you guys my outfit. Let me see if I can show you guys my outfit real quick. So this is my outfit. I got my little green crop top on, and this is a skirt. I'm gonna show you guys the skirt. So it's like a scarf skirt, goodies in, and I don't want to forget my sunglasses. I want to wear sunglasses today. Do this. I don't know if this is cute. Is this given? Not him in the background acting up. So this is sunglasses that I'm gonna wear today. And the scent for today, I'm gonna go in with Zara because it's just a chill day. So I'm gonna go in Zara. Then I'm gonna go with let me pack my bag. So in my bag I already have my camera because I'm filming with my phone. So when I get there, I'm gonna change it over to my camera. My little tripod. I got my glasses, and let me see what am I leaving. I'm gonna put a soda in there because I have my soda. Yeah, I'm gonna get my hat, my baby clothes, and then I'll see you guys on the road. Say hi.
Hi.
You gonna hold the tablet? Come. This one, come to take a picture and vlog it. Oh.
Auntie.
Did you do the speaker? No.
I'm gonna see a taxi. The taxi, I'm gonna take suicide.
You having fun? What's your? No, Jaden! Come!
Stop.
Jaden, you still not good? What's wrong with you? Bury my foot. I'm seeing it.
Boy, now you make me float, float. Boy, you really give me high. Ooh. Yeah. Boy, now you make me float.